The mirrorless camera market has grown tremendously over the past few years, with professional-grade models offering unmatched speed, image quality, and video capabilities. For photographers and videographers looking to invest in a high-end system, here's a look at the top professional mirrorless cameras this year. All buying links are given in description. Number 5. Fujifilm GFX 100S Mark II. The Fujifilm GFX 100S II is widely regarded as one of the best professional mirrorless cameras, offering medium-format performance in a compact and versatile body. At its heart is a 102 megapixels BSI CMOS 2 sensor paired with the X-Processor 5, delivering outstanding image quality, incredible detail, and an exceptionally wide dynamic range. This larger sensor size allows superior light capture compared to full-frame cameras, producing images with remarkable depth and tonal accuracy. Autofocus is highly advanced, featuring AI-based subject detection for humans, animals, and vehicles, ensuring precise focus in both stills and video. Despite its professional-grade capabilities, the GFX 100S II weighs just 883 grams, making it highly portable for a medium-format camera. For videographers, the camera supports 4K 30p recording, 4:2 210-bit color, and formats like F-Log2, ProRes RAW, and Blackmagic RAW via HDMI, providing flexible post-production options. Overall, the GFX 100S II is perfect for professionals seeking unmatched image quality, reliable autofocus, and versatile video capabilities in a compact medium format package. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix S1R. The Panasonic Lumix S1 R Mark II is an exceptional mirrorless camera, often considered among the best, thanks to its hybrid performance, high-res capabilities, and pro-level video features in a well-balanced body. At its heart, the S1R Mark II uses a 44.3 megapixels full-frame BSI CMOS sensor and a high-performance engine, giving excellent dynamic range and color reproduction, ideal for stills with great tonality. For photographers who demand detail, it offers a handheld high-resolution mode using sensor shift multi-shot, allowing fine detail even without a tripod. For speed, it delivers up to 40 frames per second burst shooting with the electronic shutter, making it usable even in fast-paced environments like wildlife or sports. In video, it is one of Panasonic's first to support 8K recording, 5.9K 60 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, internal ProRes RAW, and 14 stops of dynamic range, features that make it an excellent hybrid tool. Image stabilization is very strong too. The 5-axis IBIS gives up to 8 stops correction for handheld shooting, helping both stills and video. In short, the Lumix S1 R2 excels because it combines resolution, speed, video capability, stabilization, and improved form in one camera, making it a top choice for hybrid creators who want serious image quality without sacrificing versatility. Number 3. Nikon Z9. The Nikon Z9 stands as a premier mirrorless camera in 2025, seamlessly blending high-resolution imaging, unparalleled speed, and advanced video capabilities, making it a top choice for professionals across various disciplines. At its core, the Z9 boasts a 45.7 megapixels full-frame stacked CMOS sensor, enabling continuous shooting at up to 20 frames per second in RAW and an astonishing 120 frames per second in JPEG. This combination ensures that photographers can capture fast-moving subjects with precision and clarity. Autofocus performance is enhanced with 3D tracking and subject detection for 9 different types, including humans, animals, and vehicles, ensuring accurate focus across diverse scenarios. For videographers, the Z9 offers 8.3K/60 PRAW video recording, 4K/120p, and ProRes RAW support, providing flexibility and high-quality output for professional video production. Its robust build, featuring a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, ensures durability in challenging environments. In conclusion, the Nikon Z9's combination of high-resolution imaging, rapid shooting speeds, advanced autofocus, and professional-grade video capabilities solidifies its position as a leading mirrorless camera. Number 2. Canon EOS R5 Mark II is the best Canon mirrorless cameras, offering a remarkable blend of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, and professional-grade video capabilities. Equipped with a 45 megapixels full-frame, stacked back-illuminated CMOS sensor and the Digic X processor, it delivers exceptional image quality with fast readout speeds, reducing rolling shutter effects and enabling continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second. The camera's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system provides 100% autofocus coverage. For videographers, the R5 Mark II supports 8K RAW video recording at 60 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second, offering flexibility and high-quality output for professional video production. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization provides up to 8.5 stops of shake correction, ensuring steady handheld shooting. With a robust build, dual card slots, and a fully articulated touchscreen, the Canon EOS R5 Mark II stands out as a versatile and powerful tool for both photographers and videographers. Number 1. Sony Alpha 1 Mark II. The Sony Alpha 1 II stands as a pinnacle in mirrorless camera technology, offering an unparalleled blend of high-resolution imaging, rapid shooting speeds, and advanced AI-driven autofocus, making it a top choice for professionals across various disciplines. At its core, the Alpha 1 II features a 50.1 megapixels full-frame, stacked Exmor RS CMOS sensor, paired with the Bionz XR processor, enabling continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second with full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. This combination ensures that even the fastest-moving subjects are captured with precision and clarity. Autofocus performance is enhanced with AI-based subject recognition, including real-time tracking and improved eye detection for humans, animals, and birds. This advancement allows for more accurate and reliable focusing in dynamic shooting scenarios. For videographers, the Alpha 1 II offers 8K 30p and 4K 120p, recording with 10-bit 422 color depth, providing high-quality video capabilities for professional production. Additionally, features like breathing compensation and dynamic active mode improve stability and focus accuracy during video capture. In conclusion, the Sony Alpha 1 II combines exceptional image quality, rapid shooting speeds, advanced autofocus, and professional-grade video capabilities, making it a standout choice for professionals seeking a versatile and high-performance mirrorless camera. Subscribe for more videos like this. Also, check out other videos